What else is in this box? Wow, something heavy. Yep, that's heavy. And that's it. Nothing else in there. Alright, that's a rear brake drum for panhead early shovel. See the number right there, 67. This is the ball bearing style hub. There's almost no lip in here, so that's good. So even if somebody just turned it, or it didn't got much wear on it. I'm going to say it doesn't have much wear on it. The sprocket looks pretty damn nice. As long as the teeth are still shaped like this, you're good. When they're straight, they're worn, and when they back suck like this, they're worn out. So it looks pretty good. Get all lug bolts in here. All looks like factory stuff. Got the dowel still on it too. Good. Nice thick cast iron drum. Work good. Heavy, but they work. Late style with a big flange on it. So this takes the late star hub, which is your 67 later hub. So this goes up through 72. Disc brake came out in 73 on the FL. So there you go. And also FX too. So there should be another bearing in here. They run dual bearing on these or not? I don't remember. They might not have run a dual bearing. I can't remember. It's been too many years. If they're smart, they run two bearings on this side, the other bearing's in the hub. There's a sleeve about that long, about 3 1/8 inches long or so, that goes in between. So that's all that is. Anyway, nice, good, like new condition, no breaks. Don't see any evidence of high spots anywhere, which would be blue marks. No heat cracking. Nice setup. Too bad it's not for a star hub. I don't like the late stars. Oh well. Nice setup. Put on a bike. There you go. Goodbye. There you go. Okay, we're going to do a little blasting here on these two parts. The air pressure building up back here right now. I'll be shutting off in a minute here. There we go, 150 pounds back in there. Hard to see it. Alright, what do we got in here today? Oh, nothing. Okay. Last season. Let's see what we get. Let's see if we get a picture back here at all. See what we're looking at. This part will be easy. The air though. There, we got air now. Nice glove. side we'll leave alone. Alright, let's see what we got. Calcium day real good now. Another 3. That's a 3, that one, I think. 361. I think it's 361 plus something. 6 maybe. Yeah, that's 193 with the 6 this way. Hard to tell. Either way, it's nice and smooth. No gouges, light use. No cracks, no breaks. Looks real nice. Leave the outside nasty. Just clean up the inside. A little rust like that. Spray with CRC so it'll stay that way and it'll be good to go. This has got CRC in here. Oh, that didn't take long. You can also paint the inside here if you want. Yeah, that looks pretty clean. Look on the outside. Let that drip dry. Good to go for sitting for 20 years on the shelf now, unless someone needs it. Alright, how do you clean that up? Alright, we'll wait for this to build up, we'll go get that campfire.